Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can leave a team in Canva, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I am on a help article since I won't leave my team on Canva since I need it, but to leave your team, it can be done very easily on both PC and on mobile phones, and it is pretty much the same process with a couple of buttons placed in different places. So on the PC, all you need to do is click on settings, go into team details, click leave team, and then confirm by clicking leave team again, and you'll be taken to the home page with a notification that you left. For the mobile version, it is pretty similar, except you need to tap the menu in the top right, top left. I don't know where it's located since I forgot what it looks like on mobile, but once you're there, you then go into settings and then you follow the same steps, go into details, go into leave team, tap leave team again to confirm, and then you'll be sent to the home page with a notification that you are no longer part of the team. And that is pretty much the entire process which you need to go through. Now, I'm not sure if there is a certain amount of teams that you can join, but you might want to do this if you do have a limit, but that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.